Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to set up and use the B clock indicator for MT4 and MT5. All right, you're going to find the links to both the MT4 and MT5 version in the description below. So after you've downloaded the indicator and added it to your indicators folder, you just head to your navigator, right click and refresh. Having done that, you look for the B clock indicator, drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. You go to the inputs. If you want to change the settings there, you proceed, okay, according to your taste, and then okay. Now, this is a very straightforward indicator. What does this indicator do? The indicator displays a countdown timer showing you exactly how much time is left before the current candle closes, right? So you can see that on the top left hand corner, you're going to see a countdown, right? You can see here minus 1 second left to bar end. Okay, so you can see 1 second left to bar end. So you can see the time left for the candle to end. You can see across the different time frames, right? If you move to another time frame, you're going to see the time left. This is 648 minutes 41 seconds to bar end. Okay, this is probably because the market is closed. All right, so and then you can see here that you know, the figures are also displayed, right? So the figures are displayed here, and then it's also written at the top left hand corner. So if you are a kind of trader that depends on candle close, all right, for your strategy, perhaps you depend on the opening of a candle or the closing of a candle, then this indicator might come in really handy. Okay, you just add it to your trading strategy and you know, take advantage of the information that it is giving you. So now, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Click on the notification bell as well, so you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.